This solar panel in Gambia is part of a powerful new system. It just helped prevent 2.3 tons of CO2 from entering the atmosphere, all by processing discarded banana peels. So, how is this possible? Fortis Invicta is revolutionizing waste management by making every bit of impact trackable in real time. Their integrated system combines clean solar power with a network of smart IoT sensors to monitor every single step of agro-waste conversion. Agricultural byproducts like banana peels, mango skins and rice husks are transformed into valuable new products. These include clean-burning biofuel, nutrient-rich organic fertilizer, and even sustainable building materials. The solar-powered IoT network precisely tracks carbon savings, total energy production, and waste processing rates, all updated live. Each modular hub is a self-sufficient powerhouse, processing 50 tons of waste monthly while generating new income streams for the local community. This isn't just waste management, it's a circular economy revolution in action. Visit www.fortisinvicta.com to learn more.